In career and technical education, they do lots of traditional trades, and it was definitely really nice to be able to see a trade that is completely different from that with fine art. Being able to express myself my way and still being able to get hands-on experience. My instructor has been a huge mentor role in my life. She's helped inspire me with a lot of my work, and she's definitely part of the reason why I want to go into graphic design or photography, because of the way she helped push me and make my work what it is now. It's definitely helped show me that this is what I want to do in my future. I'm Khloe Dean, and I'm studying commercial arts and photography at CTE.